Hi sweet, it's Sweetie Carms here from the land down under. Today sweet, we are going to harvest some dragon fruits. So if you can see these ones, they are ready. So there's few dragon fruits are ready now for harvest. So we are going to harvest them today. So I am going to show you how many of them are ready for harvest. Let's go. So on this side I couldn't see any fruits, so we're going to the other side. Oops, something's blocking my way. Okay, so the dragon fruits, what do you call that? It's very prickly, huh? Can you see that? Lots of prickles. Okay, so on this side, there's one here. There's another one here. But I reckon this side are all white. They're white inside. Their flesh are inside. I'm here. So these ones, you got tiny ones that are not ready yet. Okay. So if you go, oops, oh, they got me the prickles. So these are still green. So obviously they are not ready yet. So we're gonna keep going, walking, and have a look if we can find more. Okay, so we're going on the other side.
You want to pick today or tomorrow?
Today. Hang on, I'm just gonna show them where are they ripe one. On this bush here, there's so many in here. So you can see that. See? Oh, really good. They're so yummy. They're so yummy, these dragon fruits. That one, there's ready, and there's two in here, all ready to go. And this one here, okay. And bush also, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's 5 in there. Okay, so there's 3 in there, there's 1 in there, and there's 1 in here. Okay, so this is what it looks like when there's still a flower. So this is the flower, and the flower is the one that will turn into fruit. Oops, there's a green one there. There's a green ones on the ground. Okay, so my husband is now starting harvesting. So darling, can you show us how to what do you call that, harvest them? How do you remove them?
There's 2 different ways. If they're ripe enough, you can sometimes just put a little bit of force. I don't like doing it this way, but twist and snap.
Yep, so that's it.
Here,
Okay,
here we go. Nice big one.
yep, so you just turn them around.
This one's not going to snap. Yeah, it snapped.
Yeah. So oops. Oops, it's landed on the ground. Still good.
I'll leave them too.
Okay, so
Yes.
this is the other way on how to remove them.
Find where the thing is and you cut a V.
So you can use the secateurs.
That way, then we'll come back the other way.
Perfect. Thank you.
You'll see the real when they're really red. There's another one.
Okay, so
Some of them you find it hard to get at.
yes,
And the best way sometimes is,
just to twist them.
but if they're not ripe, they won't snap.
It's perfect.
But if they're not ripe, they won't snap.
Okay.
Where are we? Oh,
So
gee,
we
that's a
get
lot.
5 so far that we harvested. But we are going to keep going.
Did you want to see another one? Or?
Oh, yes.
Here's a really big one.
Yes, that's really big.
Snap.
Just snap and it's off you go. Okie dokie.
Lovely big organic dragon fruit.
Yes, there's no chemicals. Organic.
Oh, see, there's one. That didn't snap properly. Oh, it did in the end.
Okay. Still good. So where's our tray, my darling?
Up the other end.
Okay. I'm going there, okay?
Yeah. Yep.
So
Then come back and get
my husband has tray ready in here. So we are going to put them in a tray. So, oh darling, there's 2 in here.
What's that in? Now these are all white ones. The red ones aren't coming at the moment. That's a
Okay, so these are white flesh.
inside, white flesh. But if you come here,
So these are the reds.
that's a red one coming.
So this red in here. Red ones, but there's only very little.
There's only a couple there.
Yeah, there's not much red in here. Okay, so keep going.
Yep.
Twist.
Oh, that's nice and right.
Perfect.
Doesn't always happen that way.
Yeah, sometimes when you twist them, it's end up not good, darling. Hi, you are opening the flesh. Sometimes you have to be very careful when you're just twisting it. So it's safer to use the secateur.
The quick snap.
Okay, perfect. That's perfect. As long as the flesh is not showing, that's really good.
That's all in this bush.
What about that? These 2 in here, darling, are they not
ready?
Not ready? Okay, so they're not ready yet. Okay. What about these 2 in here?
Where, darling?
This one here.
Not ready.
Not ready?
See how they're not
They're
red?
not ready.
They're not bright.
Okay, so they're
See,
not ready,
yeah.
these 2. So there's few of them not ready yet. Like this one.
If you have a look
Not
here,
ready.
If you have a look here,
Yeah.
this is the difference.
Okay.
So there's one that some people do pick, but they're not quite ready. If you see the difference, this is nice and red, bright red.
Yes.
That still hasn't got bright red yet. See? Nice, bright red pinky.
Yes. Okay, thank you. So, is there... there's more bush that we going to check. I can see red. Okay, let's go to the other side. So, we have this bush in here too that has some fruits. Not a lot, but yeah, we can get some. And there's 2 of them ready now.
You tell them
So,
that,
there's 3 of them ready. But they are sitting on the ground.
this was caused by a very bad hail, size of tennis balls, about 2 years ago.
Yeah.
Really
So we're supposed to remove this yellowish because they're not good.
good. They won't
Yeah. So
this year.
okay. So what are you gonna do? You're just going to twist them?
Yeah, they're
Okay.
coming good.
Oh, perfect. So yeah, they're just sitting on the ground sometimes.
This one's harder.
Okay. Very good. Very, very good. Okay, we're going to the other side.
More here, yeah.
So this is the other dragon fruits that we have. So this on this bush, we're not going to harvest them today. So we harvested a few already. Okay.
You see through there?
Yeah, so there's a
lot more.
there's a dragon fruit ready in there.
Yep,
But we are not. Are we going to harvest?
No.
Okay, so we're going to harvest the rest tomorrow. It's just too much for today. Okay, and we're just going to check the rest of this bush. So there's one here almost ready, and there's another two in here. There's green ones, of course, not ready, the green ones, and there's you're going to harvest that
Well,
one.
they're
Okay.
really pink.
Okay, so he's going. Okay. Quick and easy. Just a twist.
Quick
All
twist.
right. So sweet. In this side of the bush, we still have three. That's 1, 2, and 3. So, but we are not harvesting them today. We're harvesting them tomorrow. So as of today, these are the ones we harvested, and this is too much already for us, and I decided not to sell them in the market. So we're just going to enjoy eating them or put them in the freezer. Remove the flesh and you put it in the freezer bag, then you can store them in the freezer. Okay, sweet, thank you so much. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.